How to manage iPhone's app notification privacy. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. So, if you're someone that wants to alter their privacy settings and they want to customize their notifications, you can proceed by going into your iPhone and you're going to click on settings. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down, and once you scroll down, you're going to enter your notifications. From there, you're going to select apps and choose to hide previews or customize notification types for more control over your privacy. For example, if I want to show previews, I don't want to show previews at any time, and after that, I can proceed with a notification style. So let's say that I do not want any notifications from my mailbox. So I can click on over here and click on customize notifications, or even turn off my notifications completely. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.